Okay, a photograph measuring 7 inches by 9.5 inches is put into a frame, and the frame is measuring 8 inches by 10.5 inches. What is the area of the border around the photo? Okay, the best way, well, at least for me, this maybe doesn't apply to everyone, but the best way to understand a problem is to, what I like to do is visualize it, maybe draw a picture. You want your picture, you want your diagram to be as simple as possible. So we've got a photograph. So let's just draw a rectangle here for our photograph. Okay, and that photograph is measuring 7 inches on one side and 9.5 inches on the other side. And now that's put into a frame. Let's make the frame black. So let's put the frame here. Okay, maybe not drawn perfectly to scale, but as long as we label it correctly. Okay, and the frame is measuring 8 inches by 10.5 inches. What is the area of the border around the photo? Okay, so we just want this area. We want this area, the area of the border. Okay, that's what we want. Now, so basically we're looking for the area of a shape that looks like this, sort of like a square donut. Now, the way we could get this is, well, let's see. We could take the black rectangle. Take the black rectangle, and then we could subtract off the blue rectangle. Okay, so if we take the black and we subtract off the blue, that should give us exactly what we're looking for. Okay, so the black rectangle, so let's be more specific, the black rectangle area, let's make that black, the black rectangle area minus the blue rectangle area. So the area of the black rectangle, well, area is length times width, so 8 times 10.5, and the area of the blue rectangle, so we're going to subtract this off, the area of the blue rectangle is 7 times 9.5. Okay, so 8 times 10.5, well, that would be 84 square inches. So we have 8 inches times 10.5 inches, and area is measured in square inches. Okay, and 7 times 9.5, and that is 66 and 1/2 square inches. Okay, and if we subtract the two of these, so we're basically, and I'll use the eraser here, we're basically taking, let's actually do it this way. We're basically starting with the black rectangle, right? Okay, that's the 84, and then we're taking this blue rectangle in the middle and we're subtracting that. We're subtracting that off. So that's the minus 66.5, and that's going to leave us with the area that we're looking for. Okay, so we have 84, and we have to subtract off 66 and 1/2, and that will leave us with, now you could use a calculator for this, but that will leave us with 17 and 1/2 square inches.